In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit from AutoCAD Viewport. If you've ever found yourself stuck panning around inside a layout viewport when you actually want to select notes, borders, or title block elements, this is exactly what you need. The goal is simple. Switch from editing the model through the viewport to working on the sheet itself in paper space. Before we begin, a quick refresher. In a layout, a viewport is a window that looks into model space. When you're inside that window, your mouse wheel and panning affect the model view. When you're outside in paper space, you're working on the sheet, placing annotations, adjusting the title block, or moving viewports around. Exiting the viewport simply means returning to paper space. The first and fastest way is with your mouse. Move your cursor to any blank area of the layout outside the viewport boundary. This can be the white sheet around the viewport, the title block area, or any space that's not the model view itself. Then, double-click. That's it. If it worked, you'll notice your zoom and pan now affect the whole sheet rather than the model inside the window. You may also see grips on layout objects, and the status bar should indicate you're in paper space. This method is quick, intuitive, and great when you can clearly see where the viewport ends and the sheet begins. If your layout is tight, or you prefer the keyboard, use the command approach. Simply type P space, or the shorter alias PS, and press enter. AutoCAD immediately switches you to paper space on the layout. This is especially handy if clicking is awkward or your viewport fills most of the sheet. You don't need to select anything first. Just type PS and confirm with enter. It works exactly the same way as the mouse method and is easy to build into your workflow. To confirm you've exited the viewport, try zooming or panning. If the entire sheet moves rather than the model view, you're in paper space. You can also glance at the status bar. It should show that you're in paper space on a layout, not in model space through a viewport. And that's all there is to it. Double-click outside the viewport to jump out with the mouse, or type PE space, or simply PS, and press enter to switch instantly. Once you get used to these two options, you'll move between model and paper space with ease and keep your layout work flowing smoothly.